Equine assisted services is a relatively new concept. I think we're one of the frontier universities doing this. We thought, how do we tie horses and the needs of people and God all together? And so we began to look at how we might put this together.
My name is Catherine Wilbanks. I am faculty here at Asbury University teaching for the psychology department and the equine program. I have the privilege of helping to develop a new major here at Asbury. It's called Equine Assisted Services, and this major particularly is for students who are interested to work in the field of equine assisted services, meaning learning how to incorporate equines into services for humans, whether that is healthcare services, educational services, or adaptive riding services. We always talk about, especially in mental health services, we talk about the essential role that the therapeutic alliance, the therapeutic relationship plays. And there's something about animals that allows us humans to feel connected on a deeper level much more quickly than it would with humans. And I think that in itself, again, lends itself very practically in equine assisted services, that you are offering growth opportunities, healing opportunities, not just in the context of a human to human relationship, but in the context of a human to animal relationship. Equine assisted services are some of the only healthcare services out there where we have to go where our animals live. That means we have to come out into the natural environment. We have to get reconnected with nature again, because this is where the horses live. And in order to truly connect with them, we need to also be able to enter into their world. And I believe, and research has also shown, that there are a lot of therapeutic benefits to being out in nature. Those are just a few among many, many other factors which I think make equine assisted services so beneficial. We are at the prime place of not only providing students an actual career route that makes sense and actually leads to a job, but if we really believe that there is something healing to the horse-human relationship. And I believe that's not just accidental, it's not just something that evolution itself created, but that it is something that God is a God design. And where we're just at the tip of the iceberg right now and figuring out what does it actually look like. And that is what I find extremely exciting.